Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And right after the market opening, we can see that there is pressure on the chart of gold. Gold opened a little lower. Okay, it tried to recover, but market failed, and we can see that after making a high of 5030, okay, gold is under pressure. So overall, if you observe the chart of gold here, then you can still see that the market is trying to hold the 5000 level. Yes, at this moment while recording the video, market is trading below 5000, but we have seen earlier also that 5000 level is acting as a magnet. And if you look at the bigger picture, then we can see that the range of gold is 5050 at the top and 4930 at the bottom. So this is the range of gold right now. To come out of the magnetic field of 5000, okay, then gold needs to cross 4930. Okay, if gold breaks 4930, then only you can say that okay, that selling pressure is there in the market and we can expect more downside. See, this is the hourly chart. If you look at the chart like this, then you can get a better picture. So if gold breaks this particular low of the market, then the structure of the market will change and you can expect further downside. But otherwise, 5000 is still acting as a magnet. And today is US holiday, so okay, US session may not be that crazy. Overall, if you look at the dollar pairs, they are silent. Forex market is silent, but gold is being gold, full of volatility and action. Okay, so if you have any ongoing sell on the chart right now, you can hold your sell position because selling pressure can be seen on the market. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then I feel that we can look for a buy around 4942 4940, because around this particular area buyers will try to take the market up. I'm not saying that there will be a complete trend reversal, but as a day trader you can at least expect a bounce of 10 to 20 $15 easily here. And at this moment, you can see gold is trading here, trying to take support around this particular low. If gold breaks this low also, then we can, oh, already, already the thing happened. Okay. So I feel it's no longer valid because while recording, okay, already market went up. So I was about to say that, okay, if gold breaks this particular low, we can look for a sell below it. Anyways, if market tries to recover during the day, we can also look for a sell around these two areas. The first area is 4988 and the second area is 5000, because the previous support will be working as resistance here. Okay, so if market tries to go up during the day and you see that there is not much volume in the market, okay, then you can look for a sell around these two areas. Just make sure that okay, you see some price rejection from above, at least for 30 seconds. For example, market is going up with big green candles and you press the sell button, that will be a bad decision. Okay, if you see the market is struggling around 4988 4990 area, then only go for a sell. Okay, and now we can see that already after breaking this particular low of the market, okay, market is trying to recover. So things are dicey here again during the day. Okay, during the day, if market consolidates like this in this range, then you can look for a sell below this particular point. Okay, but as of now, okay, we don't see any consolidation here because while recording the video only the drop came. So let's wait and watch. Okay, in the momentum masters group, okay, that we have, I have already uploaded, but still you can look for a sell, my dear friends. Okay, if market stays in a range like this and breaks, how much you can expect? You can expect a downside of around $10 easily. Okay, but yes, I think the major buy will come around this particular portion of the market, 4940 4942. Hopefully market will get the support it is looking for, and to start a new downtrend or more selling pressure, okay, gold needs to cross this level. And today being a US holiday, I don't think so, okay, market will be going down that easily. Okay, let's wait and watch. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. let's wait and watch. Okay, as long as market remains in this particular range, okay, you can expect the market to be like this only. Okay, so we just need to play from level to level. That's it. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.